Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about some of the recent calls for $100,000 Bitcoin, which, we do believe on this channel. We've been talking a lot about how we're getting ready for the next bull market in these crypto markets leading into the next Bitcoin halving. And given some of the recent failures of the banks, people are starting to question, who is best to hold our money? Is it the banks? Is it ourselves? Is it Bitcoin? Let's talk a little bit about the failure of Suisse Bank today. Yeah, it is a big bank failure, even bigger than SVB and Signature Bank that have recently collapsed. Let's talk a little bit about what we can expect out of this and then some of the next moves we might see out of Bitcoin and crypto markets ahead. If you like the content, guys, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you, and at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Guys, the market cap is still above $1 trillion at 1.05 trillion. Note, though, that the Bitcoin dominance is flying high up to 44.3%. We do believe that this will continue to climb even higher. If you look here, Bitcoin is up 7 or 10% over the last 7 days, which is incredible. Hanging on to 24,000. Just yesterday, it was at $26,000. And the overall market cap as well seems to be making some moves, guys. We had a really big bounce up and above $1 trillion, and now possibly testing this. I don't expect it to. I really don't, especially with this Credit Suisse news that's coming out today, which we'll talk more about. I think this is even more of a bull case for Bitcoin and crypto. If more of these banks fail, I would hope to see Bitcoin continue to climb as basically an off-ramp from the banking system, right? Makes sense. So one thing I want to highlight for you guys is let's look at the Bitcoin price right now. So drew out a couple key levels here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, get to the hourly candles. Zooming out a little bit, we are in quite an interesting channel here. So if you see this white channel right now, anywhere between the recent high at 26,000 and around the $20,000 level, there could be some action in this channel for a while. That being said, most in the short term, I see the most likely scenario would be a bounce off the $23,300 range for Bitcoin here over the next couple days. And depending on what happens with this Swiss bank news and the Fed interest rate hikes that are coming out after the FOMC meeting next week, Tuesday and Thursday, we might see a massive bounce off this, break back through the $25,000 price level, and test the top of this range at the $26,000 level again, and possibly make our way to $30,000. Again, this recent conversation about the bank's failure and this one with Credit Suisse, this is a huge story. Just to put into perspective for you, this is approximately 2 times bigger than Silvergate Bank, which is something to be said, right? This was a pretty significant failure of the bank, but this is a Swiss bank, Credit Suisse, and the Swiss National Bank, a central bank, is actually saying, they might come in and provide them with the liquidity they need. Just to give you an idea of how big Credit Suisse is, got about $500 billion in that bank. So that'll be very interesting to see if that falls, if that fails. Is there going to be more fallout from this? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think that it's possible. Just look what happened here in the US. And this could turn out to be a big bull statement for Bitcoin, really. And that's why, look, Bitcoin's already up 50% this year. It's beating stocks and it's beating gold. CNBC is talking a little bit about it. And now you have some others that are starting to say, hey, Bitcoin to 100K next. Analysts are eyeing textbook perfect BTC move. Now, this isn't going to happen overnight, guys, but inevitably, as the banks are having some trouble and people are looking for, again, an off-ramp from the banking system, what options do you have? You have real estate, you have gold, you got Bitcoin, you could hold cash, but then you're playing the game of inflation, and we know how that's going right now. We're not really winning the battle against inflation. Fed Chair Powell was trying to battle that with these rate hikes. Well, these rate hikes possibly caused these banking collapses, and even Europe right now is struggling to decide what to do with their interest rate hikes. Nobody really knows how this is going to get resolved, and it still is yet to be seen how many more banks are going to fall. Could this be the thing that drives Bitcoin to $100,000? It really does make sense to us here on the channel. And so this is something we're going to be keeping an eye on as well as we move forward, guys. So keep an eye on this Suisse bank news. Note that we're giving away a loaded line at 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Follow us at _crypto report. Everybody that's a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every month you're a member towards this giveaway for the loaded line. And you also get access to our private Discord, which you can access if you are a member. And you can talk directly with Black Sea and myself anytime you want, guys. Really, that's all we got here today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, DCA hodl, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.